I can't believe I did this, and I don't even have words. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen, and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. If you would like to join my channel or join my family of subscribers here on YouTube, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. I make videos about Disney, makeup, lifestyle, luxury items, literally anything that girls like. Girls or guys, I guess, like. And this is no exception. This is probably the biggest purchase I will ever make. And yeah, this is an exciting video, especially for me. I can't wait to unbox this for you guys, show you what I got, and if you could tell by the thumbnail, this is my first and biggest purchase from Chanel. So if you guys would like to see the rest of this video, please continue watching. So my intention was just to look at the Chanel card holders, and something stood out to me, and I literally stopped in my tracks and my heart melted, and I was like, oh my god, I need this. I love it. It's the perfect color. I will use it all the time. It's a good size, and I ended up getting it. This is a treat myself. I am getting a bonus this week from work, so this is just part of that bonus. So every once in a while you just need to treat yourself and give yourself something that you will love and literally cherish. And I cannot say without any doubt, this is literally the prettiest item I've ever seen. And I know I'm trying to be generic, but I'll get to the point here, I guess. So I bought a bag, not a wallet or a card holder, from Chanel. So I actually don't have a Chanel store near us, so I bought mine at Neiman Marcus. This is the classic Chanel box. It's this beautiful kind of like soft, almost velvety matte kind of feeling, similar to like NARS packaging, with the Chanel ribbon and the beautiful flower that comes with most Chanel packages. So I will unbox this for you guys. So this is it, and this is probably not something you guys would expect. It's not classic. If you guys know me well enough, you know that I'm not somebody who goes for all the bags that everybody else wants. So I'm gonna take this ribbon off very carefully because I would like to keep everything intact if I can. My sales associate was so sweet. Her name was Christina, and I would go back to her in a heartbeat. She made the experience so enjoyable, and I just fell in love with her. She was the nicest girl in the whole world. So this is the box, if you've never seen the Chanel box before. It's just plain black with Chanel. It does have a magnetic like box closure, and it opens up. So she has the black paper with the Chanel sticker. Lots of tissue paper to keep it for safety reasons here. Then she did some accordion. I did mess this up because I've already unboxed this for my boyfriend to show him, but yeah, so there's the accordion paper, the bag, and there's also the Chanel like care instructions in here. So the dust bag is black with Chanel, and then there's the pull tab ribbon. I'm so excited to show you guys. So I got this bag. So they had one on display, and then they did have one in the back, and I fell in love with this. This is called the Clutch Bag, and mine is in the shade, it says gold, but it's actually light pink with a kind of gold iridescence. So it's very pretty. It has the flap, which I love. I'm not a big fan of like the boy bag style. I actually like the classic flap better, so I kind of like the way that this is. This is in the caviar leather, so it's the sturdiest leather. And there's still like the packaging, like plastic on here. So you just turn the knob to open the bag. It has like this felt in here for right now, so let me just take all this stuff out for you guys. This is a Chanel care instruction card inside here, I believe, and it comes in like a little package thing. So the felt comes in here, There's additional tissue paper and the felt lining on the bag to protect it. And then the chain is wrapped in tissue paper as well. Then there's just like a card in the back pocket. So this is the Chanel light pink gold iridescent, what do you call this? Clutch bag, I guess. I couldn't find it online anywhere, so I have no idea if that's actually what it's called. This retails for $2,900. I'm going to be completely transparent with you. So it retails for $2,900. This is what it looks like. It is so stunning. It has the light gold hardware. It's very delicate looking. It's like so girly, so perfect. It has a pocket in the back, so you could slip your phone in here or whatever you want for like easy access. Then when you open the bag, it has a single flap with the zipper pocket back here. And in the zipper pocket, it has the Chanel authenticity card. And it's the same color on the inside as well. Then there's a single pocket right here. And then there is the main pocket here in the front. So yeah, it was a impulse buy, but it is something that I know I will love forever. I'm like still like in shock that I bought a Chanel bag. Like I always pictured Chanel being at like the end all be all when you're like really financially stable and you feel really comfortable where you are in life and like you want to treat yourself. But I saw this, I'm like, there was just no turning it down. I've always wanted like one of the light pink iridescent styles that they come out with. They have like the light gold, I think is called, and it's like an iridescent, and I loved that this kind of is like a somewhat variation of that. It's more of a corally pink, but it is so, so pretty. They do say that with this kind of color, be careful wearing dark denim or black denim that's unwashed because it can transfer, so just make sure, you know, you're careful with that. I will keep this bag forever. This is the most beautiful bag I've ever seen in my entire life. I just cannot get enough of it. The gold chain is actually a lot lighter than I thought. I always feel like when like bags have chains, it's gonna be super heavy and feel really weighed down, but it's actually very airy and light, and I love this. It's, you know, perfect for every day. This isn't something I have to feel like I have to be fancy with. It's just a perfect color for me. I am absolutely in love with this bag. This is so beautiful, and I just really wanted to come on here and share it with you guys. I wanted to unbox it for you because I love watching unboxings. I love when you guys see, at least for me, I love seeing when other people are getting things that they really love and they're cherishing it and they're so excited, and I just really wanted to share this moment with you guys because this is a big moment for me and I could not be happier. So this is my first Chanel bag and I cannot wait to start using it. It is just so gorgeous. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I could not be happier to share this experience and this moment with you guys. If you have any questions or comments, of course, just leave them down in the comment section down below. And if you would like to join my family, again, just hit that subscribe button and you can join my community here that I'm growing on YouTube. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you all so, so much, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.